How to make your computer fast. While using for a while, sometimes our PC or laptop gets slow. It happens because of many reasons. Let me give you today the most common and effective way to make your PC run fast as it is new. First, open Run by clicking Windows button and R button together in the keyboard. Now type TEMP, press OK. Then you will find a few number of temporary files in your PC. These files makes your computer run slow. Select all the file and delete. Make sure you delete it from Recycle Bin also. You can also select all the and press Shift and Delete together so that files will be deleted from Recycle Bin also. 2. Open Run again, type %temp%. You will find another set of temporary files. This files takes more space in system memory. Delete all by clicking Shift and Delete button together. 3. Run a disk cleanup. This can clean up hundreds of megabytes by deleting temporary files, unnecessary system files, and emptying your recycling bin. Use the following steps to run disk cleanup. Click the Windows Start menu. Type Disk Cleanup and click the Disk Cleanup icon. Select a drive. Click OK. Check the file types you want to clean and click OK. For animations on your computer makes it slow if you are using an old or low specification laptop or PC. Just turn off all animation of Windows and you can see the change instantly. Click the Windows Start menu. Type Animation. Then turn off Animation Effects option. You can also disable transparency effects for even more better results. Disabling transparency effect will not make your Windows looks bad, but makes performance better. 5. Disable visual effects. There are 20 visual effects you can turn off or on. Click the Windows Start menu. Type Control Panel and click Control Panel. Click System and Security. Click System. Click Advanced System Settings. Select the bullet which says Adjust for best performance. 6. Check your hard disk space. As a rule, you want to keep at least 15% of the hard disk space free to keep the computer running smoothly. 7. Remove any programs you do not use. Right-click an app in the Windows Start menu and click Uninstall. This opens the Programs and Features window in the Control Panel. Click a program and click Uninstall above the list of programs to uninstall the program. Don't forget to empty your recycling bin. 8. Prevent unnecessary programs from starting when the computer boots up. Some programs may start as soon as you turn on your computer, running in the background so they will load quickly when you open them. Use the following steps to disable startup programs. Right-click the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Click Task Manager. Click More Details at the bottom of the Task Manager. Click the Startup tab at the top of the screen. Click an app. Click Disable in the lower right corner. 9. Change the power plan of your desktop computer to high performance mode. FYI, using high performance mode on a laptop will drain your battery quicker. Use the following steps to switch to high performance mode. Right-click the Windows Start menu. Click Power Options. Click Additional Power Settings in the menu bar to the right. Click Create Power Plan in the menu bar to the left. Check High Performance. Click Next.